All right, man, I got another light slight video. If you seen my last video, you seen that I did just install a Legmaker intake on the Hellcat Redeye. So I'm just gonna get a quick walk around the car real quick. About to get on the highway and get out some pulls with the Legmaker so you can hear the sound. But y'all see, man, same old car. Like I said, I took a break, but I'm coming back. Got stuff coming. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely got more content on the way. Like I said, I got real busy, kind of like scaled back from the little YouTube shit, but I'm back on here posting some content for y'all, man. So like I say, pretty much everything you can see on the channel, that's what's been done to the car. Nothing I have done that's now on the channel. I did just put these new floor mats in here yesterday. You see, man, all around. These definitely way better. Yeah, I'll quick cold start real quick. Well, not cold start because I ain't drove over here, but start it up. We get out a couple of revs. I'm gonna rev it a couple times. I don't know how good it's gonna sound, because it is in park. So yeah, you can't hear much while it's like idling right here with the Legmaker. Yeah, I'll put through. Y'all see, man, engine bay is clean. I did clean it the other day before I put Legmaker in here. Y'all see. I did put the cover on here. The cover is like super thin, so it doesn't like hinder the airflow or anything like that. It's super thin. It just keeps the dirt from going in and like water, obviously. So, like I said, I'm about to mount this on the hood, man. Get on the highway so y'all can hear what it sounds like.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, left pass, he left.